導入 導入 is mean introduction or that means you bring something new to your company or your organization. As you see here, we have the example like call center system を導入する予定があります。コールセンターシステムを導入する予定があります。which means we have a plan to take in the call center system. We have a plan to take in the call center system. That means call center system を導入する。導入する is mean introduce. That means you don't have a call center system in your company, and you bring the new system that call call center system to your company. In a case like this, they use the word 導入する or 導入します。And in here they use 導入する予定 is mean the plan to bring the new system. あります is mean have. So what you have to remember about how to use the word 導入 is mean you bring something new to your organization or your company. That is mean 導入